Hi-Viz Smiley here. So today we're going to answer the question, does the FZ-07 actually shoot fire? We know that it snaps, crackles, and pops and does all that creamy goodness that I personally love to hear. And I honestly don't think that this thing has the potential to shoot flames, but when it does pop, it's so violent. I mean, it sounds like a flaming exhaust backfire, so I don't know. I'm very curious to find out, so that's what we're going to do today. It was an extremely long way to tell you the same thing I told in the first 4 words. I'm going to attach a GoPro to the right side of the swing arm, face it towards the camera. We're going to wait till dark, and we're going to go out and ride. And I'm going to do as much as I can to get it to snap and pop and do all this stuff and see if it does actually shoot fire. I hope it does, but I don't know. I've never actually seen like a flash at night beside me, but I don't have mirrors, so I can't see behind me all the time. So it may do it, it may not. So what I have left to do, I'm going to finalize the mount over here. I'm going to at least grease the chain because it's pretty loud when it's sparkling clean and lubed up. It being like a month since it's got lubed, it's probably even worse. I'm gonna try to get all the chain noise out as possible. I suck way too bad to be trying to make these super ambitious videos that aren't ambitious at all. This should be just literally put a GoPro on and ride, but
Hi-Viz Smiley can't do it, I'll tell you what.
I'm so sick of myself. No more talking. Let's put this hodgepodge together, and then let's go ride at sundown. Ready? Not snapping. Okay.
the next day.
So now we're back. How blown away are you that this thing shoots flames? For anybody that's new here to the channel, that's not a very good representation of what this exhaust sounds like. This right here is a much better. The audio was really terrible when I started, so what I done was I used a blend of both the Zoom audio under the seat and then actually the internal microphone audio with the GoPro, which is why you heard a lot of chain and drive noise. It was way worse when I started. My whole microphone under the seat did help, but it wasn't as good a deal as I thought it was gonna be. So yeah, I'm blown away. Not that it shoots no big fireball or nothing, but it is pretty cool. So I don't guess there's any need to drag this video out. I sure thank you for watching. Appreciate you stopping by the Hi-Viz Smiley YouTube channel. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think. We're all about discussion here, so if you do comment, you can be certain that I'll reply back to you. So with that being said, if I don't see you in the comment section of this video, hope to see you on the next one. This is Hi-Viz Smiley, out.